Today we're going to look at a feature of AppSheet that's super helpful, but it's not super obvious that it even exists. And what that is the feature that lets you take pictures right within your app and then use drawing tools to draw on top of those pictures so you can better explain whatever's in the photo. And best of all, this is super easy to use. You can turn it on using just one click. I've run a few remodeling projects in the past, and as part of that, I've had to put together specs for the work that needed to be done for various contractors. In order to do that, I'd always go around and take a bunch of pictures and then come back and open them up in something like Photoshop and mark them up with exactly what needed to be done, and then pull that all into Google Docs and put together a document with descriptions and the photos and then print everything out. It was just a very time-consuming process. With AppSheet, that can all be done in one place, in one app. From taking the pictures, to drawing on the pictures, to adding descriptions, to sharing the whole thing out with contractors. It can all be done in your single AppSheet app. And that can save a ton of time over doing things the way that I was doing it previously. So here's an example of what I'm talking about. I've got this app that lets me manage jobs and tasks. And each task has a photo associated with it. If I click this photo icon on my computer, it pops up this dialog that asks me to upload a photo. But if I go use this same app on my phone, clicking that same icon lets me take a picture immediately and attach it to that particular record. And this is where that one-click part comes into play. If I go into AppSheet and I edit the column for the photo, there's this checkbox that I can check in order to allow drawing on the photo. And it's as simple as that. And now I'm going to go back to my phone and I'll reload the app, then take another picture, and now you see that there's this edit button that appears down below the photo. And when I click that, a color palette appears down below the photo and I can actually select the color and then draw on top of the image. And then once I'm done, I can save that and it saves that full record, including the photo with my drawing on top of it. So there it is, a super easy way to improve communication within your team using Google AppSheet. If you're using this for something, I'd love to hear how. Please let me know down in the comments. And if you'd like to learn more about all the things that you can do with Google AppSheet, be sure to subscribe to this channel. That's all I got for today. Thanks for watching and happy building.